Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. I am here with 10th pattern that I have used in my blanket. This is worked with gorgeous grey of Hobby Store Special DK yarn from Magic Needles and its color code is 5008. This pattern requires multiples of 8 plus 1 stitches. In the blanket we are having 302 stitches. So multiple of 8, the nearest multiple of 8 is 37 multiplied by 8, which is 296. So we are having 6 more stitches. Those 6 stitches are adjusted on both the ends. We require 297 for the pattern. So on one side we adjust 3 stitches, on the other side we adjust 2 stitches. So we start the pattern from one side on the 4th stitch from the one end. Okay, for the swatch I have 34 stitches. I require 33, so I am with one more stitch. So that one stitch I am going to adjust on my first row, and thereafter the pattern will be there. And when it comes to end here, again I'll have one extra stitch on this end. So to begin with, turn your work. My extra DC I am doing at the very last twisted standing DC. For the blanket, you will be working more number of DCs on either ends. So I am going to start my pattern. On this stitch, I am going to place 2 DCs, then chain 3, skip 3, place a single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, place 3 double crochets on the next stitch, I am working with a chunkier yarn to show the pattern clearly. I have my ready-made pattern that I have made with the same yarn. This is my sample swatch. This I will be showing you and explaining to you. Again, chain 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, place 1 single crochet. So this is the pattern repeat. Chain 3, skip 3, single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, 3 double crochets in the next stitch, chain 3, skip 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet. Continue the pattern till the end. I shall meet you at this end. I have come to the end of the row. I am left with 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. So skip 3 and place my last 2 double crochets on the last stitch. Chain 3, so the first row is done. For the second row, turn your work, place your single crochet on the very first stitch, skip the next DC, chain 3. You will not work any stitch on this DC. You will place a DC under the chain space, that is a 3 chain space. On every 3 chain space, you are going to place 1 double crochet. So this is how it will look. Chain 3, skip the next DC and place your single crochet in the middle DC of the 3 DC cluster. Chain 3. Again we have come to chain 3 spaces. So in each of them place 1 double crochet each. Chain 3, single crochet in the middle DC of the 3 DC cluster. This is how the pattern repeats. Continue till the end. I will meet you at the end. We have come to the end of this row 2. Here we had placed one extra DC here. These 2 DCs will count in the pattern. So we chain 3 here, skip this one, make a single crochet and end with a single crochet on this last stitch. So I have already made chain 3. Skip this, place 1 single crochet here. We began this end with single crochet, and to adjust my number of stitches, my last single crochet on my very last stitch here. Row 2 completed. For row 3, 1 double crochet, standing double crochet in the edge stitch. This is my extra stitch. We should always remember that. Wherever we have made the extra stitches, we should remember that and place either SC or DC as per the row pattern. And then in this single crochet, place 2 double crochets. Chain 3. Now we are not working under these chain spaces, but between these 2 double crochets, we are going to place 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Then we are not working under the chain spaces. We have 1 single crochet here. So we are going to place 3 double crochets on the single crochet here. In that single crochet, we place 3 double crochets. So again, chain 3. Place 1 single crochet between the 2 double crochets of the previous row. Chain 3. Place 3 double crochets in the single crochet that we did in the last row. The third row, we are not working in the chain spaces. Again, chain 3, single crochet here, chain 3, single crochet is done between the 2 double crochets, and 3 DCs are worked on the single crochet that we did in the last row. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 3. We began with double crochets here. Place 2 double crochets in the last stitch. So this row is complete. For the blanket, I did only these 3 rows. I did not do more. For the pattern, you can repeat rows 2 and 3 to the length required. And now we have to finish this off with a DC row. For this, we place 1 double crochet on every stitch across, and under the chain 3 spaces you place 2 double crochets. That will fetch you the number of DCs required for the pattern, or the number of DCs that we started with. So once you complete the pattern will look like this. If you work individually or separately, you're working any other project, the pattern will look like this, and this pattern is reversible. On both sides it will look similar. So thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day. I shall meet you with the next pattern in the next video.